Okay, so this thing back here pulls the needle up.
What?
When you turn that, what
Yeah,
happens?
that maneuver goes.
That moves the needle. And what's this thing do?
That is the length of your stitch.
And how about this thing down here?
That is the type of stitch.
Okay, so you change all those things to get the kind of stitch. What kind of stitch do we use?
Just a straight stitch.
All right, so how's this all work? How come there's a thing underneath there and then there's one through the needle? I don't get it.
So you have thread on the top of the fabric and the bottom of the fabric.
So that thread is all connected, or
Correct.
and then it just goes right through and all right, it's interesting. And what's this thing right here?
That is a reverse button to
Oh,
go back.
and this thing over here, I noticed that you put
That's just a thread cutter.
that's a thread cutter. Okay. So you have to, what's all these buttons on top?
This has to do with the tightness of your stitch and the needle position where your needle is, where you sew in the middle, on the side, off side.
Can you do embroidery with this?
I can do all those stitches with it,
Huh, interesting.
which I never will use.
So is this going through the needle too, this thread?
Yes.
All right, so it's going, is it got,
No, it's not going through the needle. It's picked up. It picks up just and stitches down below your fabric. The needle goes on top of your fabric, but it picks up and pulls it through and attaches it to the bottom.
so how does it grab it?
I don't know. I didn't go to sew school.
Oh, jeez, so crazy.